Hello children, how are you? How are you today? I am good, I am well. What about you?
Hello kids, welcome to Savita Ford Academy. This is our SST lecture class 3rd CBSE board. Kids, today we revise our 10th one chapter Delhi and Mumbai. Please pay attention here. While reading, if you concentrate here, when we solve exercise, I ask you questions. You can easily give me answers. Let's come. We solve. We read. First one our Delhi and Mumbai. Delhi. Delhi is a historical place. This beautiful city is situated along the banks of the river
Yamuna.
Very good. It has been the capital of many kings and emperors in the past. The city of Delhi was first built by the
Pandava kings. It was known as Indraprastha.
Very good. Much later, an emperor named
Shahjahanabad.
Shahjahan rebuilt the city and called it
Shahjahanabad.
Very good. Don't confuse here. Okay?
Yes.
The British built New Delhi as the capital of India. The city was planned and designed by
Sir Edwin Lutyens.
The city was planned and designed by a British architect named Sir Edwin Lutyens. Therefore, New Delhi is also referred to as
Lutyens Delhi.
Very good. New Delhi is our national capital. This one, your confusion. Pannavi, New Delhi or Delhi? See, New Delhi is our national capital. The official name of Delhi is the National Capital
Territory of Delhi.
Very good. It is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh
on the
eastern side and Haryana on the other three sides. The
Rashtrapati Bhavan
is in New Delhi. Where is Rashtrapati Bhavan?
in New Delhi.
Very good. The President of India lives here. Who lives here in Rashtrapati Bhavan?
President of India.
Very good. Then next, all the main government offices are in New Delhi. Where is government offices?
In New Delhi.
The Central Secretariat building has 2 blocks. How many blocks?
2 blocks.
The ministers have their offices here. Where is minister office? Central Secretariat buildings. Okay? Inside. The Prime Minister's office is in the South Block. Where is the Prime Minister office?
In the South Block.
And where is the PM office?
In the South Block only.
Because Prime Minister short form PM. Other ministers and departments of the Indian government work from offices around the South Block. The parliament has 2 houses, the Lok Sabha and
Rajya Sabha.
Very good. The sitting capacity of the Lok Sabha is 888.
888.
Very good. And that of the Rajya Sabha is
384.
Very good. Members hold their discussion and meetings here. What doing member there?
Hold discussions and meetings.
Very good. The governments of other countries also have offices in Delhi. These foreign offices are called embassies
Or high commissions.
Very good. What is embassies?
The
foreign offices.
The foreign offices in Delhi are called embassies or high commissions.
Very good. The climate of Delhi is extreme. How is climate in Delhi?
Extreme.
Very good. It has very hot summers, hot and dry winds called Loo. Loo means hot.
Loo
Hot
means
and dry
hot
winds.
and dry winds.
Called Loo below from April to June. The winters are very cold and it rains from July to September. Tourists from all over the world visit Delhi. They come here to see its heritage. They visit historical monuments like the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Jantar Mantar and the Jama Masjid. Which heritage places?
Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Jantar Mantar and Jama Masjid.
Please bite this one sentence, okay? On 15th August, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort. The Jama Masjid, one of the largest and most beautiful mosque in India, was built by Shah Jahan. Who built Jama Masjid?
Shah Jahan.
Very good. Observatory at Jantar Mantar was built by a Maharaja Jai Singh II. Don't forget second, okay? Not a first one. Maharaja Jai Singh II. Okay? Then, see, Jantar Mantar was built by Maharaja Jai Singh II. Who built Jantar Mantar?
Maharaja Jai Singh II.
Very good. It was built to study the sun, the moon, the stars and the planets. Okay? Which huge Jantar Mantar? There we study sun, moon, stars and all planets. Okay? The Qutub Minar was built by Qutub ad-Din Aibak. Who built Qutub Minar?
Qutub
ad-Din Aibak.
Aibak.
Shankar's International Dolls Museum, Humayun's Tomb, Nehru Planetarium, Raj Ghat, Shantivan, India Gate, Zoo and Lodhi Garden are some other places of a tourist interest. Okay, how many? A lot of historical places where tourists want to see. First one, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Jantar Mantar, Jama Masjid, okay? And another one, Shankar's International Dolls Museum, Humayun's Tomb, Nehru Planetarium, Raj Ghat, Shantivan, India Gate, Zoo, Lodhi Garden. A lot of places, okay? The Amrit Udyan, situated within the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Amrit Udyan is one of the most beautiful gardens of Delhi. Which one most beautiful garden from Delhi? Amrit Udyan.
Amrit Udyan.
The Raj Ghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Where is Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi? On Raj Ghat. The Shantivan is the memorial of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the Shantivan? Shantivan is the memorial of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. The Amar Jawan Jyoti, a flame lit at the India Gate, has now been merged with the flame at the National War Memorial. Before being merged, this flame burned continuously in the memory of the Jawans who sacrificed their lives for India. Each flame burned continuously. Amar Jawan Jyoti. Okay. Delhi has some well-known religious places that attract Indians as well as tourists from all over the world. The Birla Mandir, Gurudwara, Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid, St. James Church, Lotus Temple and the Akshardham Temple further add to the beauty of the capital. Another one, Birla Mandir, Gurudwara, Bangla Sahib, Jama Masjid, St. James Church, Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple. All are historical places. There are different museums in Delhi also. The National Rail Museum in Delhi is one of the unique museums that focus on the rail heritage of India. The National Museum of India is also situated in Delhi. You can see here many artwork dated over 5000 years ago. The Museum of Illustrations. The Museum of Illustrations in Delhi is a popular destination for children. Here you can find with enjoy tricky pictures and puzzles. There is a West to Wonder Park in Delhi. This park is made of industrial and various other waste material. There is a West to Wonder Park in Delhi. This park is made of industrial and various other waste material. It has the place of the seven wonders of the world. Chandni Chowk is one of the oldest and busiest market. Which market? Busiest market from New Delhi? Chandni Chowk. Wow. Konagood places is one of the largest business spot. Delhi has many stadiums like the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Indira Gandhi Stadium, Arun Jaitley Stadium, a lot of stadium here. Which one? Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Indira Gandhi Stadium, Arun Jaitley Stadium and the Talkatore Stadium. Important sporting events are held here. The city of Delhi successfully hosted the G20 summit in 2023. Okay. Well-developed modern roads, bridges and flyovers have made Delhi in a modern and comfortable city to live in. Which things made Delhi comfortable? Yes, Parnavi? Which things do comfortable Delhi? Modern roads, bridges,
flyovers.
Okay. It is a well-connected city and the Delhi Metro provide a fast and a cheap means of transport to the people. In Delhi, all festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dasera, Nowruz, Easter, Christmas, Guru Purab, Pongal and Sankranti are celebrated with joy. Which festival Delhi celebrate in Delhi?
Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dasera,
Nowruz,
Easter, Christmas, Guru Purab, Pongal and
Sankranti. Makar Sankranti. Okay. Men normally wear trousers and shirts and women wear saris, salwar kameez or western dresses. In Delhi, you meet people of different states as it is famous for job opportunities and education. As a result, we come across many cultures of different states of India and also of other countries. People may speak different languages and celebrate their own festivals, but everyone loves this lovely city. Therefore, Delhi is called a mini India. See, this one para is very, very important. Why Delhi is called a mini India? When that one question your SST teacher give you, your answer is obviously in Delhi you meet people of different states as it is a famous for job opportunities and education. As a result, we come across many cultures of different states of India and also of other countries. People may speak different languages and celebrate their own festivals, but everyone loves this lovely city and therefore Delhi is called a mini India. Yes, Parnavi?
Yes.
Very good. Now, we start about Mumbai. Mumbai is the new name of Bombay. It is the capital of
Maharashtra.
It is the richest city. Richest. Okay? City.
It can come in fill in the blanks.
Wow. It is the richest city. Which one? Mumbai or Bombay? It is the richest city of India and also an important port. What is important port? Okay. It lives on the west coast. Where? West coast. Now, please pay attention, kids. India facing the Arabian Sea. Mumbai was at one time a group of 7 islands. How many? Mumbai is the new name of Bombay. It is the capital of Maharashtra. It is the richest city of India and also an important port. Mumbai lives on the west coast of India. Facing the Arabian Sea, Mumbai was at one time a group of 7 islands. Later, these islands were connected to form this city. Mumbai is also known as the busiest and entertainment capital of India. The climate is warm and humid in summers. The winters are not cold but pleasant. Mumbai receives heavy rainfall between June to September. The important offices of Maharashtra state government are in Mumbai. The governor, the chief minister, other ministers and government officials live here. Mumbai is famous for its textile mill. Medicines, oil, chemicals and electronic goods are also manufactured here. Bombay High is an important place near the Mumbai coast. Mineral oil is found here in the sea bed and purified in a refinery. People of Mumbai speak Marathi, Hindi and Konkani. Bel puri and pav bhaji are the delicious snacks of this place. And vada pav also, they are enjoyed by one and all. Ganesh Chaturthi is an important festival in Mumbai. World renowned institutions such as the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and the Indian Institute of Technology are situated here. Like Delhi, Mumbai is a popular tourist spot. Places like the Gateway of India, Jahangir Art Gallery, Taraporwala Aquarium, Marine Drive, Barbarona Stadium, the oldest cricket stadium, that one in India, and the SL World attract tourists from far off places. The city faces the Arabian Sea. The beaches of Mumbai like Chowpatty, Juhu and Warsaw are also very famous. Malabar Hills present the most beautiful view of Mumbai. At night, the lights shine on the Marine Drive in the shape of a necklace. This stretch is famous by the name of Queen's Necklace. The Elephanta Caves close to Mumbai are famous for many rock-cut caves. The first train in Mumbai, the first train in India started on the Mumbai-Thane route in 1853. Today, local train network connect the city very well and it is the best public transport system. Mumbai has one of the busiest railway station in India. The Chowpatty Shivaji Terminus means CST. It is also known as Bombay PT or a CST. This one picture showing CST, VT, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Mumbai is called the city of dreams. Why? It is home to many television and film stars. Kids, new words from this one lesson. Architect means a person who design buildings. Heritage means valued things such as a historical building. Seabed means floor bottom of the sea. And embassies means offices of foreign countries. And humid means when air has a lot of water vapor. Refinery means a type of a factory for refining oil. Main points from this one chapter. New Delhi is our national capital. Which is our national capital? You can give your answer. New Delhi. So this one main point very important for your answer. The official name of Delhi is National Capital Territory of Delhi. Which is the national name of Delhi? National Capital Territory of Delhi. The Parliament House, Central Secretariat, Rashtrapati Bhavan and embassies are located in Delhi. Okay. Where is the embassies located? In Delhi. Delhi is also called a mini India. Who is called a mini India? Delhi is called a mini India. Mumbai is the new name of Bombay. Which name? Mumbai's new name? Bombay. It is the capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra capital city? Capital? Mumbai. Mumbai is also known as the business and entertainment capital of India. Okay. Which things Mumbai known as entertainment and a capital of India? The climate in Mumbai is warm and humid in the summer. In summer, how is Mumbai climate? Warm and humid. Ganesh Chaturthi is an important festival in India. Which important festival from Mumbai? Ganesh Chaturthi. Kids, I hope all of you enjoy this one lesson. Which one lesson? Delhi and Mumbai. Yes, all of you better understood. This is our last revision, and let's come. We solve again exercise orally. Okay. Yes, Parnavi, you want to give answer? Start exercise. Oral questions. On the banks of which river is Delhi situated?
River Yamuna.
Very good. Name the language spoken by the people of Mumbai.
Marathi, Hindi,
Konkani.
Konkani.
English also. Yes?
Yes.
Next. English. Multiple choice question. MCQ. Tick correct. Tick. Which option is correct? Okay. Now, first one. Which one of the following states is a neighboring state of Delhi? Haryana. Which one of the following statement is correct about New Delhi? New Delhi is our national capital. It's correct. It is beautiful city situated along the bank of the river Yamuna. It's one correct. It was the first built by the Pandava king. Also correct. Means all of these. This one option correct option. Third one. Which one of the following statement is true about Mumbai? Mumbai was at one time a group of 7 islands. Yes, correct. Mumbai lives on the west coast of India. Is correct. Means
both A and B.
very good. Next. You visit Mumbai in the month of May. You experience a climate. Which one?
Warm and humid.
Very good. Fill in the blanks. Mumbai is the city of the India and an important
Part and richest.
Mumbai is the richest city. RICHEST. Richest city of India and an important port. PORT port. Okay. Second one. Dash hills present the most beautiful view of Mumbai. Malabar Hill. Third one. Dash is one of the oldest and busiest market in Delhi.
Chandni Chowk.
Wow. Fourth one. Dash is an important festival in Mumbai.
Ganesh Chaturthi.
Well done, Parnavi. The climate of Delhi is
Extreme.
very good. D number question. Write short notes. List. A. Any 5 places of tourist interest in Delhi.
5 places of tourist interest in Delhi are Red Fort, Jantar Mantar, Lotus Temple, Qutub Minar,
And okay. Fine.
India Gate.
Very good. Fine done. Next one. Two government offices located in Delhi. Prime Minister offices and the Parliament. Next one. What are embassies?
The government of other countries also have offices in Delhi. These foreign offices are called embassies or high commissions.
Nice, Parnavi. Thank you, Parnavi. Next one. List any 5 tourist spot of Mumbai.
Five popular tourist spots of Mumbai are
Gateway of India, Jahangir Art Gallery, Tarapurwala Aquarium,
the Marine Drive and
SL
the World.
Wow, very good. Next one. Why is New Delhi often referred to as Lutyens' Delhi?
Delhi was planned and designed by a British architect named Sir Edwin Lutyens. Therefore, Delhi is known as Lutyens' Delhi.
Wow, thank you, Padnavi. Nice try. Well done. Next one. E1. Application based question. Kanika lives in Mumbai. What kind of clothes do you think she wears in the summer? And B1 option in winter season.
The summer season in Mumbai is warm and humid, so Kanika wears light cotton clothes.
Very good. And B1 in
And
winter?
even winters are not very cold but
Pleasant.
So Kanika wears light woolen clothes.
Wow, nice try. Thank you, Padnavi. Next one, F. Answer the following question. Describe the climate of Delhi. The climate of Delhi.
The climate of Delhi is extreme. It has very hot summers and
Hot and dry
winters. Winds called
Lu.
blow from April to June. The winters are very cold and it rains from July to September.
Well done. Correct answer your. Second one, write a short note on the transport system of Mumbai.
Located train networks connect the city very well and is the best public transport system in Mumbai. The city also has one of the busiest railway stations in India, the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus.
Means CST or VT. Thank you, Barnavi. Next one. Why do you think Delhi is called a mini India?
Well developed. Delhi is known as mini India
Because of well developed model roads.
because of well development, model roads, bridges and flyovers have made Delhi a modular and comfortable city to live.
It is a well connected city.
It is a well connected city and the Delhi Metro provides a fast and cheap means of transport
Of the people. Thank you, Padnavi. Last one. Why do you think Bombay High is of a great importance? Delhi known as mini India. Third one, our question. What makes Delhi a well connected city? Yes, Padnavi, try.
Well development, model roads, bridges and flyover have made Delhi a well
modern
a
and comfortable
modern
city.
and comfortable city to live in. It is well connected city, and the Delhi Metro provides a fast and cheap means of transport of the people.
Thank you, Parnavi. Fourth one question. Why do you think Delhi is called a mini India? Yes, Parnavi, you can try.
Yes, Delhi, known as Mini India, is a
Yes, is a vibrant hub.
vibrant hub for education and job opportunities. And
Yes, opportunities
attracting people from across India
and the world.
world.
Prestigious institutions
Prestigious institutions
like Delhi University,
University,
JNU,
JNU
and
Jamia
Jamai Milai Islam make it a global education center. The city's diversity brings together various cultures and language, all united by their love of its lovely atmosphere. You can write down this one para. Thank you, kids. Thank you, friends.